Welcome to Law Logical, your YouTube channel for a weekly dose of the basics of Indian law. In the wake of COVID-19 and the economic downturn, many employees have faced the unfortunate situation of not being paid on time. However, you have legal rights to ensure you receive your salary. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a legal notice to your employer for non-payment of salary in India. If your hard-earned money is being withheld, stay tuned to learn about your rights and the steps you can take to reclaim your dues. The Payment of Wages Act, 1936 mandates timely salary payments. If your employer delays or denies your salary, you can send a formal legal notice. Here's what you need to include. Documents. Gather your employment contract, bank statements showing unpaid salary, appointment letter, and any salary details. Content. Clearly state the amount due, the period of non-payment, and a demand for immediate payment with interest. Delivery. Send the notice via registered post to ensure proof of delivery. Now, let's focus on filing a civil suit for executives. This is a crucial step if you are in a managerial or executive role and your employer has not responded to your legal notice. Here's how you can proceed. Legal basis for civil suit. Under Section 73 of the Indian Contract Act, 1872, you can claim compensation for the breach of your employment contract. Additionally, under the Civil Procedure Code, 1908, you have the right to file a civil suit for recovery of dues. Drafting the legal notice. Before filing a suit, draft a comprehensive legal notice. Clearly state the unpaid amount, the period of non-payment, and demand payment with interest. Include a deadline for response, typically 15 to 30 days. Sending the notice. Pause. Send the legal notice via registered post or courier to ensure proof of delivery. Keep a copy of the notice and the postal receipt. Gathering evidence. Collect all relevant documents, such as your employment contract, appointment letter, salary slips, bank statements showing non-payment, and the copy of the legal notice, along with the proof of delivery. Consulting a lawyer. Consult a lawyer who specializes in labor law or civil suits. They will help you draft the plaint, which is the formal document filed in court outlining your case and the relief sought. Filing the suit. Your lawyer will file the plaint in the appropriate civil court. Ensure all documents are organized and submitted as evidence. Court proceedings. Attend the court hearings as scheduled. Your lawyer will represent your case, presenting evidence and arguments to support your claim. Judgment and enforcement. If the court rules in your favor, it will issue a judgment directing your employer to pay the due salary with interest. If the employer fails to comply, you can seek enforcement of the judgment through the court. Let's dive deeper into the specific legal sections and detailed process of filing a suit for unpaid salary for executives. Section 73 of the Indian Contract Act, 1872, allows for compensation claims due to breach of contract. The Civil Procedure Code, 1908, governs the process of filing a civil suit. The Payment of Wages Act, 1936, Section 15, allows for applications regarding delayed or deducted wages. And the Indian Penal Code, or IPC, Sections 406, which is criminal breach of trust, and 420, cheating, can be invoked if there is fraudulent intent in withholding the salary. Non-payment of salary is a serious issue, but knowing your rights and the legal process can help you take control. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more legal guides. Leave your questions in the comments, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.